paging part 4. Okay, enough messing around. Let's make a next button and a previous button. And instead of giving it an ID, let's give it a class so we can clone it and put it on the top and bottom of our page. We'll do that later though. And then we'll make one for previous. Put in a class called prev. A nice little line break here. Let's see if I know what I'm doing. Okay, but they don't do anything. So let's change that real quick now. So let's go through our jQuery. This set page function is going to always be the last thing that happens. It'll make sense later. So next button. So let's say when you click it, remember it's a class, click function. Now we have to, when someone clicks the button, what do you think has to happen? Well, this has to go up, right? So you can do that by doing that. But what if they're on the last page? This shouldn't go up. So let's make an if statement. If the page they're on is less than the very last page, then increase the page, then do what we're asking. Otherwise, don't do shit. So the page increases, and then we have to set the page, remember, with our function. That's why we've got this nifty thing here. Set page with the current page. Pretty cool, huh? Well, let's see it in action. Oops. Now, I hope this works, guys. Alright, there you go, see? Bam! And we're at the last page, so it won't go anymore. Now let's do a previous button. This is pretty much the same thing. I'm just gonna copy this, because I'm smart or lazy. Previous. Now this is actually different. If the page we're on is greater than 1, we don't ever want to go into page 0 because it doesn't exist. And then this is the same. Oh, what the hell am I thinking? Except the page will decrease, right? Because we're going previous. Let's make sure that worked. Bam. Bam, bitches. Okay. Now, I mean, this is the basic stuff. Now let's add some nice little nifty features, such as the output display. So let's say div ID page display. Let's actually keep a break in here. This in here will go the current page number, and I'm going to show you how we do that. Go back to where do we go back to? Go back to your function here, set page function. Go ahead, we're gonna add some here. Page display. Let's fill the HTML of that div with some stuff that reads what page we're on. Page, and then the page. Let's see if this worked. Page 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bam. Biggity bam, bitch. Okay, enough farting around. Let's get back to work here. So now we need to make links to each page. Links like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 that the user can click, right? I mean, you gotta have that. So let's do that. I promise it's pretty easy. Let me just gather my thoughts here. Okay, they're gathered. So we need to make something like this. Let's put another break here. Span class pages. That wasn't too scary. Now we need to generate links that will go in here. So let's do that. That's going to be a job for jQuery. Let's go ahead and add some comments. Always nice to be, you know, okay, what the fuck am I thinking right now? Generate page links. This is going to be a loop, for loop, and it's going to look like this. For, let's call a variable. Well, I guess that's fine. Let's say x equals 1, and the condition will be pages less, if x is less than page last, and for each cycle, increase x. Now what the hell is that? You'll see right now. If x equals 1, if we're on the first one, else. Now you may be confused, but just keep following. I swear, you'll get it. If x equals 1, inside of our span down here, which is a class called pages, let's do this. Pages append. Let's append something to it. Like this. What the fuck? Let's add links like this. It's real easy. Class. Let me think here. Okay, trust me on this, guys. You just gotta do it, okay? Links. Then link underscore. Then we're gonna append x to that link class name. And then, okay, hold on here. I'm kind of confused. Yeah, like this. Sorry, guys. Plus x plus, and close that tag. Okay, so what is this? What the hell is this? Well, guess what? You're gonna copy it. Well, just copy this part. Come down here. And we're gonna modify it for the alternate of the if statement. We're gonna say link href, it's gonna go nowhere. So to do a pound sign, class equals links link plus x plus, close the tag, plus x plus, close the tag. Now, I don't expect you to know what the hell this is, because I made it up myself. But come back to here, submit query, and you see, look, we got these pages, but they're there, they don't do anything quite yet, because we haven't done that. But, let's see something here, show you guys some shit. See? It's generating the page links. It's working. That's what this does. It's figuring out how to do it for us. Get it? So now we can make a function or I should say an action that when someone clicks this, it goes to that page. So let's do that. Links functions, and we're gonna I need a beer. We're gonna refer to, remember this is called links, right? It's called links. So when someone clicks dot links, you're gonna, oh, function. So when someone clicks a link, we need to know what they're clicking. Because what if they click page 8? We've got to tell the browser and update the current page. So current page, remember our variable, is going to equal this dot HTML, and then just set the page, guys. Just set the page. That's it. That's it. Now let's see the shit. It's my query. This better work. Okay. See, here we go. Biggity bam. Floogity flam. Biggity bam. Got it? Do you get it? Let's move on.